It's 2024 and let's be real. Everybody dreams of being their own boss or working from the comfort of their own home. But let's face it, not many people actually succeed. Why? Well, most folks end up consuming the wrong information, especially on platforms like YouTube, where some of the advice on work from home jobs is just plain terrible. I mean, promoting surveys and typing jobs that barely earn you enough for a cup of coffee, that's just not cutting it. But fear not, today I'm here to set the record straight. I'm going to give you the download on 5 work from home jobs that are not only paying well, but also don't require a degree. And guess what? You probably never heard of some of them. So let's stick around until the end because you're in for a treat. Job number 5, freelance content creator. Kicking things off at number 5 is becoming a freelance content creator. Now this is one of the coolest gigs out there because you get to call the shot. No showing your face, no social media pressure, just you, your camera, and a whole lot of creativity. And get this, you can make some serious dough doing this. Trust me, the earning potential is huge. Job number 4, tech sales. Next up, we've got tech sales coming in at a hot number 4. With the tech industry booming, companies are clamoring for remote workers like never before. And guess what? You don't need to have prior experience to dive into this lucrative field. So if you are up for a challenge with a sweet starting salary of upwards of 80 grand, this could be your ticket to financial freedom. Job number 3, bookkeeper. Now let's talk about bookkeeping, our job number 3 pick. Don't let the numbers scare you because this job is a gold mine. Spending just a few hours a month crunching numbers can earn you a cool $500 or more. Job number 2, virtual assistant. At number 2, we've got virtual assistants, the unsung hero of remote work. Trust me, I've been there. Providing administrative support, managing schedules, handling emails, you name it, VAs do it all. And the best part? No experience required. I landed my first VA gig while still juggling my 9-to-5 job, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. Platforms like Upwork at your disposal, finding gigs is a breeze. Job number 1, property preservation contractor. Last but certainly not least, we have a hidden gem for you at number 1, property preservation contractor. Ever notice those abandoned houses in your neighborhood? Well, they're a gold mine waiting to be tapped into. Banks outsourced the upkeep of the properties, and that's where you come in. And there you have it, folks. 5 work-at-home jobs that's sure to set you on your path to success, sans the degree. If you are hungry for even more money, making ideas, check out the links in the description below. And if you've made it this far, drop a comment saying I made it, so I know that you're part of the savvy squad. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to carving out your own slice of the work from home pie. Until next time, stay hustling.